definitely leveled us up. It's definitely pivoted our business in ways that we could not have imagined.
It's changed my way of thinking, and now I think of how I can reach a broader region of people, a broader spectrum of people, different types of clients through the Cultivate program.
We saw that Sally Beauty was behind cultivating women entrepreneurs. We had to apply. As you know, Sally Beauty is a leading beauty supply in the industry. And so we knew with their expertise and their help, we could really grow our brand to where we needed to go. And so that's why we decided to apply, because we had big dreams for our brand of Curlinistas, and we knew that Sally Beauty could take us to the next level.
The advice I'd like to give to anyone who's applying is be ready for change, be ready to expand, be ready to change your way of thinking that you have right now, because it's totally going to change your life and the way you do business.
And if you're thinking about applying for the Cultivate program, don't walk, run.
Yes, tell your story, be yourself. That is the one advice
I would give. Be yourself, yes, definitely. Be your authentic self and just put yourself out there.
Yes, you never know where you can land.